Good morning. Good morning. I thought that tomorrow was my retightening, which is Thursday. I received a reminder text on yesterday that it's Wednesday, and I am so excited that it is Wednesday. But it was in my mind that it was Thursday, so I had to keep telling myself, girl, you need to shampoo your hair. And so I braided and banded my hair yesterday. And I am just going to let you see what my hair looks like this morning and what it will look like this afternoon. Yes, I've shown you in my previous video what my grid looks like and how unruly my hair really looks like. And before I go any further, thank you, subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate your support. I appreciate that you have subscribed, you like my videos, you comment, and you share. Thank you. Keep up the good work. And if you're watching right now and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Become a part of the Gene G family. Click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know whenever I upload a video. Now this is my morning, and I am going to add my afternoon results to this video so you can see the difference in the same video, what my hair looks like after being retightened. I'm going to show you these edges so you'll see the difference as well. My hair is not completely dry, but it'll be dry before I get to work. But I just find it amazing that a requirement is that I braid and band my hair. And as a result of braiding and banding my hair, when I take these braids out, my hair has an extra oomph, as some may call it. And I can get this done in the morning. Even when I have to take these braids out, I can get it done in less than 5 minutes. Sisterlocks just makes things so convenient for me. And I love it. I really do. I will see you in a few, so keep watching. Good afternoon. I am sitting in my car waiting on my text to come in to get my hair retightened. I'm looking forward to it. I'm so excited. Yes. I believe that most people with Sisterlocks and Microlocks look forward to, well, I won't say most, because I have seen some videos where people that have Sisterlocks or Microlocks, they like their hair better maybe 2 weeks or so before the retightening. But I really like my hair when it's been retightened. I like the neatness of it, because my Sisterlocks, they show off too much. They just try to take over. My grays become frizzy and unruly, so I like the neatness after the retightening has happened. So I will check in on you guys in a few hours. I'll check in with you after my retightening has been done. Have a great afternoon. Why, good evening. Good evening. I feel so good because my hair, my scalp, my head feels great. It does. I'm back from my retightening appointment. It took 3 hours and 20 minutes. We discussed the growth. I was told that just every now and then, 2 to 3 times a year, there's a growth spurt. And Kim felt like I just had a growth spurt. And so, according to Estelle, it's time now for another length check. So, sometime in the near future, you'll see that happening. But I wanted to come and let you see what my hair looks like, the difference from this morning and this evening. So here we go. This is what it looks like here. Now I know you can see that there's a difference in the way my roots look. Here we go, guys. And I hope you can see that. I hope I have this at the right angle. I'm just going to take my time because I am so proud of this. It's as if I did it myself. That's just how proud I am, as if I did it myself. Just look at it. Ooh, man. That looks so good. So good. I'm going to take you to the back. So come on to the back with me, okay? Can y'all tell I'm feeling good? I'm just feeling myself today. I'm just feeling myself. Can't nobody tell me nothing. 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 Kim delivered. Yes, she did. And I am so happy that my hair has been retightened. I really appreciate it. I love it. And I just couldn't wait to come and show you. And so, yeah. This is a sister who loves these locks. I love my friends and family. I love my followers and subscribers. And I especially love God because he's been so good to me. Yes, he lets me travel over dangerous highways and he keeps me safe. Have a good evening. Have a good evening.